I need to run and get some oil for the skid loader because I'm all out and it's got a slow leak and the skid loader's running real low on oil. So that's what we got to do first. We got to get the fuck out of here. People don't know how to drive. Let's go. Okay, we're back at the farm. Got the oil in the skid loader. Got to unplug it and start it up and we'll be good to go. I got a calf coming, so I got to get the calving pen set up again. Sun's going down. I got to get some straw up here, so we're going to go hook onto that. It's down in the shed. Gotta open this shed door up. It's too fucking frozen and like frozen mud and clumpy and heavy, so I'm just gonna fucking throw a couple in the bed of the truck. Ugh. Nothing can be easy when it's fucking cold out. Let's see. There, 5. Fuck's sakes, let's go. Excuse me. Running out of daylight. Okay, this little section of pen here, from that gate to that door, this little area, I'm just gonna throw some bales in there for bedding, and then we can move that cow over, and then probably tonight or sometime tomorrow, by the way she's looking, she'll have that calf. So we're gonna bed that down so we can move her over. Go with like 2 probably for starters. So yeah, take the strings off and then spread it out. Not very complicated. Okay, so got a little area here bedded, like, I don't know, 6 inches or so, like a 10 by 10 area. So when I bring the cows in tonight to milk, I'll bring them all in the barn, and then the one that's ready to calve will go over in that pen, and then she'll have a clean, dry, comfy place to have her calf, and hopefully I won't have to help too much, or hopefully she has it overnight, she doesn't have any problems. So that's the purpose of the calving pen. Move that cow over, and then she got her own place to have a calf. Anyway, this heifer got stuck on the back side of the freestall. So we're gonna see if it'll crouch down, and I turned it around. It's just gotta crouch down to go under this bar here. Otherwise I'm gonna have to take the stall off. But if it would go on its knees or something. There we go. See, it's always something. Something you gotta deal with. It just takes a few minutes and stops you from doing whatever else you're trying to do, so that's farming. It's dark and I'll have to get some video in the morning, but here's the mom, there's a baby. Calving pen worked out good.
Tell all my hoes, rake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, rake it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, what? Rake it